I'm Lakshveer, co-founder of Projects by Laksh. I have a Circuit Heroes and a Chota Creator brands. Circuit Heroes is a young builders club where we help kids convert their bold ideas into reality. Chota Creator is a kids teaching platform where kids teach to other people. Thank you.
So if you can explain how you created this and how to play with this, then we'll also get to know how to play with this.
You have to not show these cards.
Okay.
You should not show your cards to me. That's why I'm keeping in closed way. This is called closed way, back side. And then I made a stethoscope and really it works. Come. Guys, and I made different bullets. Manual bullet. We have to launch like this. It means it comes like this and pokes something like this. Actually, I didn't make it full ready. I have to tape it here so it will poke full. If it pokes, it comes backside and goes reverse and hurt. So we have to try to make this better. This is a paper bullet. So paper bullet is usually to fight. And this is a hard bullet. This way. This will poke hardly. And this is a bullet. Never breaks. See, did it break? We have to launch up. Then only it will go properly. Did you see?
Yeah. No.
How far it went? I'll get it.